Hello everyone. So what's up people? So today I wanna talk about something that is completely new and exciting and it's currently trending. So can you guess what? I think you might have guessed from my screen itself. It is called vibe coding. And no, it's not a new synthwave album. It's way cooler than that. Alright, picture this. No tech degree, no 10,000 hour grind on Python, no gatekeeping, just you, your computer, some logical thinking, and boom, you are coding. That's called vibe coding. So it's all about jumping in and figuring things out as you go. You don't need to memorize every command or know what a for loop is on day one. If you can use a computer and you understand basic cause and effect, you can build stuff. If you can do basic communication, you can build the stuff. So here, as you can see, this is the cursor ID. Let me give you a brief idea about this ID. This is an AI powered ID, which is backed by LLMs and agents. Um, this looks like a normal ID where the left side pane is a solution explorer or the project explorer. The middle pane is where you can write code and where you can view all of the files, and this is the new pane which you can see, and this is the chat pane. It is where you can give your prompts to LLMs and it will generate code for you. So let's begin. Today I have chosen a project which I have no idea about. It is a blockchain product. I have never built a blockchain project. Let's begin. So I have created the prompt already to save some time, and here is the prompt which I will give to LLM. It goes like create a simple blockchain application in Python that demonstrates how a blockchain works. It should include the ability to create new blocks, validate the chain, and add transactions. The project should simulate a basic peer to peer blockchain network and display data in a clean, easy to read format. Keep the code minimal, well commented, and beginner friendly. Add a basic front end to interact with the blockchain. Allow users to create new wallet addresses. Allow users to allow transactions between them and view the blockchain. Include a visual representation of the blockchain. Let me remove this. Okay. So I have not mentioned a front end. I would say add a basic front end in add a basic create a basic desktop application. Desktop application for simplicity. So let me paste this in my chat. Here it goes. Okay, so as you can see, it is generating some answers for you, and actually you might have thought that you can do this in ChatGPT as well nowadays, but the beauty of this is you can it just simply creates new files and in your project folder, and you don't need to do anything else, and you just have to it is integrated with this ID, so you just have to accept or reject changes. So right now I will blindly accept all of the changes, and here it goes. You can accept the changes from here, as you can see, or else you can go to that file and accept file or reject revert file. Here I'll accept the changes. This is the GUI application, and it is creating a requirements text file, and okay, and it is also creating a readme file, which is good. Okay, so it has already created and we are good to go. Before proceeding forward, I would like to say that I have already installed Python in my system. To install Python, you can refer some Python, refer on the Python website, or you can ChatGPT. But here I have already installed, so I will skip that step. Um, After that, make sure you have Python 3.6 or higher installed, but I don't have Python. I'll tell I have Python 3.12, so suggest changes accordingly. Okay, so it has created some changes. Okay, here we go. And uh, so before proceeding forward, I would like to create a new environment for Python, a virtual environment for Python. So I would say I would like to create a virtual environment for this project. So it's just to run this command, and I'll copy this command and run it over here. I'll just select command prompt and I'll just run it over here. Okay, so this has been created, and now I want to activate that environment. So I run this over command prompt. It's a slightly different command. So it's venv scripts activate dot bash. So the environment is created. Now I want to install the dependencies. Install dependencies in. Okay. So requirements.txt file, no external dependencies is required. So I'll just skip install requirements, and I will proceed with running the application, which is Python. Now I want to run the application, and it says Python GUI.py. I will. Okay, so here it is. The application has been launched and it looks good. So we have three different tabs: wallet, transactions, and blockchain. Let's create a wallet, and let me give my wallet and create wallet. And it has created some address and the balance is 0. And I'll create another wallet, which is other wallet, and other wallet has been created. Now I will say, let's say, choose a user, and then I'll select some amount to transaction. And here it says, let's also look at this. There's a block 0 hash, previous hash 0, transactions timestamp, and send transaction, and transaction is added to the pending transaction. And here, can we see anything else? I don't see anything updated over here. And let's say I choose my pending transactions and block mine successfully. And now let's choose and check some balance. Here the balance of my wallet is -10 and balance of other wallet is 10. And as you can see, I'll again find pending transaction, and here now the balance has been 0, and the other wallet balance is 10. So this is how you can develop a full stack application without even knowing the basics of it. And you can also choose to you can also ask how you can test the application. How can I test the application? So it is giving you a comprehensive testing plan to cover all of the features. One thing I forgot to do is I also wanted to maintain. Let me remove this from here. Okay. So one thing that I also wanted to do before leaving is I wanted to maintain a Git repository for this project. So I would say I want to maintain Git repository for this project, and so it is creating a git ignore file to exclude unnecessary files, and I'll accept that file, and then I'll run git in it, and here it goes. I mean, I can just run from here, and then it is generating more steps. Now let's add all the files to the git. So I'll add all the files, and now it's generating. Let's make the initial commit, and I'll make the initial commit. So that is how you create the whole application without knowing anything about programming. You just need to have a good communication skills to explain the LLM in depth of what you want, and that's it. I think I have covered most of the things in my video. Stay tuned. If you like my video, please subscribe and please like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.